Welcome. My name is Darryl Nagel, and today I want to talk to you about the topic of focus. So when you're taking the next trade, you're about to press the button to take the trade. What is your focus? Are you focusing on the money, or are you focusing on the skill of taking the trade? I believe that trading is a skill. It's like any other skill that you've learned. I'll give you the example, for example, of a tennis player. So at the moment we're about to have the Australian Open tennis for 2021. Djokovic, he's there going to serve for the match. He's about to serve. Where is his focus? Is he focusing on where he's going to put that serve, or on the money that he may gain as a tennis player? Where is his focus? I suggest it's on where he's going to put that next ace. And so when you're taking the next trade, don't focus on the money. Focus on the skill. Ensure that you do have an edge with your trading, you're taking a significant number of trades, because to me it's just simply a matter of taking each and every trade in accordance with your trading plan. To me, trading is experiential and not intellectual. You don't have to have a large amount of education at all. In fact, to me, the simpler your trading plan, the better. The more complicated it makes it hard. When you learn to drive, did you learn on a semi-trailer or did you learn on a car? Was it easier to learn on a manual transmission or automatic? On an automatic, obviously. And it's the same with trading. It's experiential. It's actually doing something. And so we learn to drive by just driving, practicing. We did have to have a licensed driver sitting beside us, and you don't. With trading, you can start off with nobody teaching you. You can teach yourself. Sometimes it's good to have a trading buddy to assist you. So I just want to say, don't focus on the money, focus on the skill. And with that, I believe that you truly will be able to make trading your business. Thank you.